Dell Optiplex Plus i9-12900K review. The Powerhouse PC that crushes creative and business workflows. Ever feel like your current desktop just can't keep up? Slow loading, endless freezes, juggling apps like a circus act, and your productivity flatlining? You're stuck with unreliable gear that drains your motivation and steals hours, wasting precious time waiting for files to load or software to respond. That's sinking frustration when deadlines loom, but your setup won't cooperate. It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. The struggle to stay focused when your tools are holding you back is real, and it's draining every ounce of your creative energy. Now, imagine deadlines crushing in, projects piling up, stress reaching a fever pitch, and your brain begging for relief. But your slow PC is doing the opposite. Missed opportunities, late submissions, and burnout are creeping in like uninvited guests. That gnawing feeling that you're just one crash away from disaster makes every workday a roller coaster. When performance matters most, mediocre systems turn your creative flow into chaos, and the clock keeps ticking. You deserve power, speed, and reliability that actually match your ambition. Meet the Dell Optiplex Plus desktop with Intel i9-12900K, your no-compromise productivity beast. This powerhouse packs a 16-core hybrid CPU, 64GB DDR4 RAM, and a blazing 4TB NVMe PCIe SSD for lightning-fast storage that loads your files and apps in a flash. The professional-grade NVIDIA Quadro P1000 4GB GPU handles 3D modeling, video editing, and multi-display setups with ease, supporting up to 6 monitors via 4 Mini-DisplayPorts and HDMI. It arrives pre-assembled, running Windows 11 Pro, ready for business or creative challenges. With USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and tons of ports, connectivity is seamless. Say goodbye to lag, crashes, and frustration. This desktop transforms your workflow with raw speed and rock-solid reliability. Don't just take my word for it. Experts call the Optiplex Plus an absolute powerhouse for professional workloads. Reviewers praise its blistering fast storage and smooth multitasking even under heavy demands. Influencers love the quiet, compact tower design that packs serious punch without the noise. Industry analysts highlight how the combination of Intel's hybrid i9 CPU and Quadro P1000 GPU is perfect for engineering, 3D rendering, and data crunching. Real users rave about cut-down render times in 4K video editing and effortless multi-VM software development. The 6-monitor support and rich connectivity make it ideal for power users who demand more. Curious why so many pros rely on it? Watch closely. This rig doesn't just perform, it dominates. Ready to crush your workflow and never look back? The Dell Optiplex Plus i9-12900K desktop is in high demand, and stock won't last forever. Join thousands of professionals who've upgraded to the ultimate performance machine and reclaim their time. Don't settle for lag and frustration. Secure yours today and experience the power, speed, and reliability you deserve. Whether creative or corporate, this desktop is your ticket to next-level productivity. Act now, before your competition does. Your future self will thank you.